Hello and welcome to a video that I have just decided to make because I haven't made a video in a long time. Lockdown has not been very good for us. So here I have my mother-in-law's new phone, the OnePlus7T. It's from 3Mobile. I've opened this just to make sure it's the right one. And here's my unboxing and first impressions of the device. That's a big box. Sorry about the quality. There we go. Sorry for the quality. It's been, yeah, I haven't got much going on. So if I get this to focus here. Okay. I should get this out of the box. Oh, there we go. Very long box, as you can see. Very, very long box. Now put that to the side. Inside here you have your booklets and stuff. I'm just going to turn a light on this here, see if that makes a difference. Yes. Put that to the side there. Here's the phone. Grab it by the thingy here. Put that to the side. Yeah, this is from 3Mobile. In the UK, comes with a case, which is surprising for 3 because I have had very bad experience from 3 lately, and I do not recommend going to them, no matter what. So this is this. Comes with a case, so that's always good. Nice red cable. Nice. A UK, obviously, plug. Put that in there, let's get to it straight away. Let's untag that. Comes with a screen protector already put on. Let's turn it on. I've never seen one of these in real life, so I've always been intrigued myself. Again, hopefully the quality is okay for you guys and gals while it boots up. Very nice triple camera setup on the back there. I'm assuming it's wide, telephoto and standard main. I haven't done much research on this phone, but I will in the future. No thanks, no thanks, no thanks, no thanks. Disagree. No SIM card. No. So far though, if I can get this brightness down here, this feels very nice. Very fluid. I'm assuming it's a 90 Hz display. I can only assume. Very, I don't know if you can see much of that. You've got vivid, natural, and advanced. Stick to vivid. That seems to be a nice balance. Looks like you can change the font here. I prefer the Roboto. Oh, you can have it like that or like that. I'll do like that for now, so it's nice and simple. Nice welcome animation. This is nice. Why do phones always have NFC, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on all the time? As soon as you start them up. Bye bye, bye bye. No, can't get rid of them. This is running Android something. Android 10, as you can see. Well, this feels very nice. Very fluid. Let's try this camera out, shall we? Let's have a look at this here then. Bit slow when you hit the shutter button. Yes, hello. That's the wide angle lens. Quite a bit of detail in it. I'm assuming it's only a 16 or 12 megapixel by the looks of that. Here's the 2x zoom. That's okay. It's quite low light in here as well. I've got my head torch up there and then the torch on the P30 Pro shining down on this to record. And that's the standard lens there. Nice. It's a very fluid phone, I must admit. I like. I've heard a lot about this phone. Heard a lot, but because I've only been Samsung, then I went Sony. Well, I went Sony, then Samsung. No, Samsung, then Sony. Tried Samsung again, was not happy with Samsung at all. Went to Huawei P10, enjoyed that. Went to the Samsung Galaxy S9, no 8, did not like that at all. Then I went to the Huawei P20 Pro, hated it. Went to the P30 Pro, spot on. From the P30 onwards, and P40 Pro wasn't the best, but updates improved it. P30 Pro is still better. The Mate 30 Pro was the best phone I ever had, and I do miss it. So maybe this might be the next phone I get, the OnePlus. Well, might try the 8. The OnePlus 8's out, isn't it? So that'll be interesting to try out. But so far, I'm not sure what else I can really show you. Notes, capture, blah 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 thingies. Yep. That's a good point, actually. What's the keyboard like? Normally you get rubbish keyboards and this stuff. Ah, Google. That's Google's stuff, yeah. Get rid of all that. Now let's try the fingerprint sensor. Let's set it up. Order 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue without tapping. So always nice when you can just type in the code and it just goes straight in. Next. I like where the fingerprint sensor is. I do like that. Oh, you got to do it again. It's nice and low, so obviously one finger. You are letting the top of the phone quite heavy there though, which isn't the best. But I do prefer it there than up there. Oh, I do. Feels quite nice up there. Here we go. Let's see what this is all about. Oh. Do you have to double tap it? Because you can't do it just like that. It's fast. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. That's very fast. Let's test it out with my other finger. What if I tried my thing like that? Fantastic. Very fast. Now ignore my face, okay? I'm going to try the selfie camera. It's low light. Oh, hello. Shumai. That's got HDR on there. So if I rotate that back to standard, let's go into camera or gallery. There's the face of beauty, eh? Not bad at the selfie camera. It's a shame I can't test it properly, as it's not my phone. So that's a shame. But so far, I quite like it. It's if it's got face unlock, I'll give that a bash. But it is low light in here, obviously, as I keep saying constantly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Delete. Face unlock. 1, 2, 3, 4. Add face data. Here we go. Let's try this out. Having a hard time here. It's literally just not picking my face up. If I do it one more time. No. It's literally not picking up my face. I'll try one more time. Here we go. It is now picking it up. Very unique animation there. It had some sort of lines going around it, like 3D modelling sort of thing. Right, that's that. I don't know how this is going to be unlocking now. Ooh, let's try that again. If you can see my face with this light in there. Let's try it. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Try that again. One more. Yeah, fast. Obviously I've got this light up here, so that's really distorting it. So if I do it over here, straight in. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's pretty quick actually. That is very quick. I'm impressed with that. Right, we shall switch this off. I hope this video is okay for you lot. I'll be very disappointed if it's not. Turn that off. Overall though, as a first impressions, I like it. Hope you like the video. Thank you.